kí ni èrè tó bá bọ̀ láti 1999 òṣèlú tẹ́ ti ń ṣe láti 1999 lẹ ti ń ṣe òṣèlú ẹṣẹ́ yìí tẹ́ fún wa ní gift láti 1999 lẹ ti ń ṣe òṣèlú. I left Nigeria in 1998. That is about 26 years ago. That means you have been running democracy from what we are told for the last 25 years. Now tell me, what has changed in your community? What has changed in the society that you live? There is no other option. There is only one option left. Let the Biafra go. Let the Hausa people go. Let the Yoruba people go. We will have our own borders. The UK government cannot tell us how many people came into this country and never returned back. Let me quickly show you. There is no reliable data. Let me flip the camera back again.